Which wheel chocks are actually good for your travel trailer? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Max Haul Heavy Duty Wheel Chocks. The Max Haul 50011 Heavy Duty Rubber Wheel Chocks caught my eye right away, especially with that price tag of just $12.99 for a 2-pack. If you want reliable stability for your trailer or RV, this is worth a serious look. What's great about these chocks is their solid rubber construction, which means they're built to last in any weather, whether it's scorching heat or freezing cold. With a traction pad designed to grip various surfaces, these chocks help keep your vehicle firmly in place. Plus, that built-in eye bolt allows for easy handling and retrieval, making it super convenient when you're setting up camp. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 8,900 reviews, it's evident that many users trust these for their travel needs. Now, some people complained about them being a bit lightweight. Here's the thing though, while they are easy to handle, they still provide ample support for most trailers and vehicles. If you're parking a heavier rig, you might want to consider a heavier-duty option, but for average use, these do the job well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, reliable option for stabilizing your trailer. Skip this one if you have a very heavy vehicle and need something more robust. Overall, great value for your money. Now, if the lightweight aspect bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, HOXWELL Heavy Duty Wheel Chocks. Next up, we have the HOXWELL Solid Heavy Duty Rubber Wheel Chocks, priced at $34.99 for a 4-pack. What caught my attention here is their upgraded rubber material, which is twice as strong as regular rubber. If you want something that won't crush or slip, this is worth considering. These chocks adopt a triangular design with ribbed textures on the bottom. This special design grips so well that you'll find it stays in place with just a quick step. No need for heavy hammering. Plus, they come with a convenient rubber handle, making them easy to carry and store. With a 4.8-star rating from 1,700 reviews, many users appreciate how quickly and easily they set up. Here's why this matters for you. If you hate dealing with flimsy chocks that require constant adjustments, these are a solid bet. However, some users mentioned they felt a bit bulky. I get it, if you're short on space or looking for something ultra-compact, this might not be your best option, but for stability and ease of use, they really shine. This is perfect for you if you want something durable and easy to manage. Skip this one if compactness is your main priority, but the value is solid for what you're getting. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need extra stability. Product number 3, Proud Panda Wheel Chock Stabilizers. The Proud Panda Camper Wheel Chock Stabilizers come in at $38.99 for a set of 2. These caught my eye because they use a scissor locking design, which means they apply opposing force to your tires to prevent any shift. If you're serious about keeping your trailer stable, this is worth a look. They fit a wide range of wheel sizes from 3.5 to 12, making them versatile for various vehicles like travel trailers and heavy-duty trucks. They also boast an anti-rust coating, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear over time. The 4.6-star rating from 2,100 reviews shows that many users appreciate their reliability. Here's why this matters. When you're parked for a while, stability is key for comfort, and these stabilizers deliver just that. Now, some buyers found them challenging to install initially. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, they're pretty straightforward to use. If you're looking for no-fuss stability, these can really help. This is perfect for you if you want top-notch stability for your trailer. Skip this if you're looking for something simpler or more traditional, but they definitely offer great value for the price. Now, if you want a more traditional option, this next one might catch your interest. Product number 4, SECORI2MAN Heavy Duty Wheel Chocks. Next on the list are the SECORI2MAN Heavy Duty Wheel Chocks, priced at $39.99 for a 2-pack. What stood out to me was their ability to hold up to 20,000 pounds, which is impressive. If you want something that can handle serious weight, this could be your answer. These chocks work well in all conditions thanks to their all-weather construction. The treaded grips make them effective on slippery surfaces, which is a huge plus when you're parked on a hill or in rain. They also come in a bright orange color, making them hard to miss before driving off. With a 4.6-star rating from 2,000 reviews, a lot of users are satisfied with their performance. Here's why this matters for you. If you frequently park on inclines or soft ground, these are reliable. Some users mention the weight of these chocks, saying they are a bit heavy to lift. Honestly, if you're looking for something ultralight, you might want to consider that. But for serious stability, their weight also contributes to their effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you need something that can handle significant weight and rough conditions. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight option, but they're worth the investment for safety. Now, if you're looking for something that offers a bit more versatility, check out this next one. Product number 5, ROBLOCK Heavy-Duty Wheel Chocks. Finally, we have the ROBLOCK 2 pairs wheel chocks priced at $39.99 for a 4-pack. What intrigued me here was the long nylon rope that comes with them, making it easier to handle larger vehicles. If you often work with big rigs, these could be a game changer. These chocks are made from durable rubber and come with reflective tape, which enhances visibility. Measuring 7.8 x 4.1 x 3.9, they provide solid support and are specifically designed to prevent your vehicle from rolling away. With a solid rating of 4.8 stars from 1,100 reviews, many users appreciate their heavy-duty nature. Here's why this matters. For those who have to park larger vehicles, the added rope and reflective features really help in ensuring your safety. However, some users found them a bit bulky to carry around. Here's the thing, if you have a larger vehicle, those extra features are often worth the trade-off in size. This is perfect for you if you frequently manage larger vehicles and need something reliable. Skip this if you're looking for ultra-compact options, but they provide great value for their durability and functionality. So there you have it. We covered the Max Hall Heavy-Duty Rubber Wheel Chocks, HOXWLL Heavy-Duty Wheel Chocks, Proud Panda Wheel Chock Stabilizers, SECORITYMAN Heavy-Duty Wheel Chocks, and ROBLOCK Heavy-Duty Wheel Chocks. Each option has its strengths, from affordability and lightweight designs to heavy-duty stability and convenience. Depending on your specific needs, there's definitely something here that can work for you.